I cannot believe today is officially the day that I am announcing that I am moving out of my first apartment. Miss this apartment so much. It was my dream space. I moved in here when I was 20 and I just turned 22, so there are so many memories here. This was the best first apartment I could ever have. So it's gonna be a lot to let go of, but I am very excited for the change and I think I'm just ready for a new space. So this is gonna be my first episode of my Moving Diaries series. I did one of these last year when I moved in and it was so much fun. So I'm so excited to bring these back and start my moving process again. I'm also very excited for this next chapter of my life because I am moving in with my boyfriend. We've been together for almost 6 years. So I think both of us are just ready for the next step and it ended up working out perfectly. We found an amazing apartment that I'm so excited to show you guys. Everything came together. I need to start packing, so let's get started. I am starting with this section of my room and this is probably my favorite part of my apartment. I think honestly what's going to take the longest is to get everything off my walls because I have so many posters and pictures and paintings that I've done. So I'm going to start over here. I honestly just don't know where to start because there is so much stuff. I just made a huge hole in the wall. I accidentally ripped out a huge chunk of the wall. So that's great. I can't believe I'm packing all this stuff up right now. This is so crazy. So I think this box is gonna be all my books, all my journals, and some of my art supplies. This is a stack of all my journals. I started journaling in 5th grade, so kind of makes sense, but I got one of the first boxes packed up. It has pictures, photo albums, journals, books, everything. And I'm making a lot of progress on this side. It is honestly a mess everywhere, but we're making progress. I've been taking down a lot of my paintings to put all my art stuff together, so everything's just everywhere. It is just a mess, but I made a lot of progress over here too. I emptied a lot of the shelves. It is already starting to look empty in here. It's so weird. I haven't seen it like this since I moved in. My camera is about to die, so I'm gonna plug it in and keep packing. Look at my background behind me. Like, it looks so weird. Like, the walls becoming blank I think is the weirdest part because I hate blank walls, as you could tell by the amount of stuff I have hung up. My mom and my grandma are on their way right now to help me pack, so that should make the process much faster. So I'll plug this in and I'll keep going. In this box, I think I'm gonna put all of my cameras, crystals, and candles, and then I'll just be extra careful with this box. I'll wrap some of this stuff up. I'm still finishing with the tops of my Alex 9 drawers, but in here I have candles and like candle holders, crystals. This entire thing is filled. So my thought process is literally just to get everything into boxes. And I really want to declutter and get rid of a lot of stuff, especially clothes. But instead of getting rid of stuff while I'm packing, I'm going to put everything into boxes and take it all to the new apartment. And then when I get to the new apartment, as I unpack everything, I'm going to get rid of stuff and declutter as I go. First closet box. We got this whole section, but it is still a lot of stuff left. Lots of progress being made.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. There is a lot. I am too excited not to show you guys what our apartment looks like right now. So this is the top floor empty. So I am so obsessed with this space. It's clearly way bigger than my last apartment being at a studio. I loved my first apartment, but this is so amazing. The kitchen island is definitely what I'm most excited for. I just love the look of all the wood. We have so many more windows in this place than in my last apartment, and the wood floors, of course. Everything is just so nice, even like the big fridge. And look at all of this cabinet space. We have a balcony again, which is very spacious. And we actually have a bathroom on the top floor, which is so nice, especially when we have people over. It's gonna be so nice to restock this as the guest bathroom. Washer and dryer in unit, which I am so grateful for. And then we get to go downstairs. We ended up going with a 2-bedroom so I could use one room for my workspace. And I am so excited for this, especially because I work at home. We have a little mini closet right here, which will fit like 2 things. But the space is so nice. There's tons of windows, a lot of closet space, which is probably my favorite part. I'm also just obsessed with the bathrooms. We have 2 showers and lots of windows. Like, look at this walk-in closet. I am so excited to fill this up, and you know I will. This shower is amazing. We got a double sink, a shower, and I'm so excited to finally have a bathtub because I've really missed my bath bombs. I just got ready for the first time in my new bathroom. Today is moving day. It is 9:45. I woke up this morning at like 8 a.m. because we are taking the whole day to move. I'm gonna miss my apartment so much. Like, it's not really hitting me yet, but I think once I start putting all my stuff in this space, then it's gonna be like, oh, I'm moving. Like, I'm actually moving. Enzo was at work all of yesterday, and today he has a test this morning. So he's gonna join us in the moving process this afternoon, and my mom and grandma are on their way to pick me up. It is a mess in here because we're kind of setting things up, but look at my new mirror I get to do outfit of the days in. This is a huge mirror. Definitely up my alley because I love looking at myself. So as I said, my mom and grandma are on their way. I think we're gonna stop at a coffee shop before we go to my apartment. I'm super excited to show you guys all the amenities at this new apartment because they have a coffee shop here. Like, I can walk to it, it's down the street. So I think we're gonna go to that, and I'm so excited to check it out. They have a market here, they have a gelato shop, and the ocean is literally right here. Here is the view, and it's a little foggy, but right out there is the ocean. It still counts as ocean view. There's just so much happening, like so many videos coming. As you can see, I'm obviously very excited for our new space. It's just gonna be so nice. I got an iced latte with oat milk and a cranberry something. Day 2 of moving. We made it to the apartment. I need to start unpacking the bathroom, starting with this side. I'm gonna miss this bathroom setup. I filmed so many videos in here. My bathroom became one of my favorite rooms in my apartment because of how I decorated it. So I'm kind of excited to decorate my bathroom at my new apartment. Like, all these decorations in my apartment are so cute. I love those corner shelves. I'm gonna have to put those up in my new shower because they were so perfect to hold all of my stuff. And I'm definitely gonna get a hanger to hang my robe instead of putting it on the shower right here. And my painting, I stuck it to the wall so good, so let's try to get it off. I got it down. It survived, but the wall didn't survive. Not good. Just ignore that. This is one of my favorite shelves in my apartment, so I'm definitely gonna hang this back up. It is so cute. I filmed an entire bathroom makeover where I put all this cute stuff up. So I think I'm gonna have to film an updated one and redecorate everything. I wanna like make a whole dedicated video to redecorating my bathroom. Look at this background right now. Wow, I have not seen it this empty. It's so weird. Guys, look at this box. My favorite box. Filled with all this stuff, and look, I have so much more to go. This is like the most exciting box. Good morning, everyone. I woke up so early today at 8 a.m. and I'm exhausted. So we are off to a productive start for today. I think this is gonna be my last day I vlog as part of this video. I have gotten so much done in this video. I packed everything up in my apartment. I moved everything to my new apartment, gave you guys an empty apartment tour, kind of settled in a little bit. And now today I am off to do one of the final inspections at my old apartment. I have a couple more things to pick up and I need to clean a little bit today, but I think this is gonna be my last day at my old apartment. So it's been an emotional time saying goodbye to this apartment. I think there's just a lot that goes into this, especially just the memories that I have at that apartment that I'm taking with me, but it was so much easier to have them while living in this space, you know? I'm gonna drive to my apartment for the last time. It's so empty. Oh my god, it's just echoey.
You make me move like a fire. My only desire is to be found in your way. Keep back if I don't know. So wake up if it don't show. And I'm not chasing for you. And I won't ever be the same.
I'm sitting on the floor of my very empty apartment. I cannot believe that I am done. I just turned in my keys and everything, so this will be my last time here. I went to my mailbox for the last time. It's just so crazy, like it is completely empty. You could hear the echo. It sounds like my new apartment. It feels like literally yesterday that I just moved in here, so this is just so crazy, so unreal. Definitely gonna miss this entire space and all my memories here, but I'm headed back to my new apartment. Just saying goodbye to this one.
You're shaking, your mind's been contemplating, yeah. We'll never be the same. We'll never be the same. don't show, and I'm not chasing for you, and I won't ever be the same.